May pips be upon you. Hey, I got a different take on USDJPY. I put out a weekly forecast and included USDJPY on in that forecast, but I was taking a very wait and see kind of approach to it, and I think it needs to be changed. Let me show you why. All right, you can see price move bullishly, right? Now you see that price did go from the high and crack these lows here, and you would think, all right, well, I'm looking for a retest of these lows, and then price will continue further down in the new trend. No, that's not the case. We went all the way back up here to test these lows here, right? Now, so we're still in a bullish structure as far as I'm concerned. All right, as long as we are above this line, I'm, we're in a bullish structure in my book, right? So price comes back up here, retests, comes back down, makes a higher low, then actually closes above that for a slightly higher high. Yet we're still under these highs over here. So I've illustrated this level as resistance, and I've also identified this level here as key resistance, support and resistance, because it's a key level. Why? Because we see it acting as support here, as resistance here, support there. All throughout there, we have it tested as both support and resistance. So uh, this that level seems to be pretty important. And if I can just stop doing that. So now we come to this structure. We're on the 4 hour now. We come to this structure here. Now, from the swing low to the swing high, all right, uh, I put the Fibonacci's, and what we find is that price did, in fact, pull back to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which for me is like saying, hey, this is a legit pullback. A 38 level pullback is also legit. All right, you want to see it come to the 38 as a minimum with the Fibonacci retracement tool, right? Uh, and we could come back to this key level of support I identified earlier. So that's what I would love, because that would give me the best price. You see, on the stochastics, on any oscillator, you'll find that price is overextended towards the bearishly overextended, and that we are in the oversold area of the stochastics, right? So this would give me, if price does come back down in this area, this would give me the biggest discount to catch a trade, a long position to take to the house. I would love to have price come on back down this way. Yes, but look at this. Look at this. This, if I could just get this thing to work. Look at that wick of rejection there. Now it's early. It's early. This one doesn't close for another hour and 35 minutes. We're going to see how this particular candle closes, right? If it closes bullishly, man, I, I can see if it closes above here, above this resistance level, this minor resistance, uh, I will be inclined to take a trade, to enter a long position. But again, I'm looking for it to come here. If it touches this trend line, that'd be fine with me. That'd be awesome. All right. What are we looking for confirmations? I'm looking for wick rejections. I'm looking for wick rejections, smaller candles with wick rejections coming from here, and then a bullish kind of candle that carries momentum with it, a bullish engulfer. You know what I mean? A big old pin bar or something like that. And I would take the next candle that opens and take it on out of here. Okay, so that's my criteria for entry. Okay, now if I do take an entry here, where what kind of what the trade look like. Well, let's just say I get in around this area. All right. Where would my stop loss be? Under structure. That's the safest spot. Now, I can be more aggressive because I have a smaller, what do you call it? A smaller account. All right. A bigger stop loss is for bigger accounts, because if it starts to go in a drawdown, you got to be able to stand it until it turns around. Okay. So bear that in mind. All right. And you'll also bear in mind, what are you going for? All right. Where are you trying to target price? All right. I like to target these highs. Yes, I would. All right. And how many pips is that? That is 155 pips. My criteria is always 100 pips or so to make it worth my time. This is only a 2-to-1. So I'm hoping that price does give me a slightly better price, breaking these lows and maybe touching this this level of support here, and finding hard support and maybe even touching this trend line and then going up. All right, because that would give me a better risk to reward. Look, at 3-to-1 is much better for me, much better. And I can go 1-to-1. I can go to break even after it breaks this level. I would feel a little bit better about it after I break this high, that I can have something that protects my stop loss and let me go to break even. You understand? That's all my thinking on this trade. I'm hoping that we see an entry over here. I'm going to put an alert. I'm going to put an alert right about here to so I don't forget, which I tend to do, and I might make adjustments, whatever necessary adjustments here. I like to target the Fibonacci extensions, but right here we have those highs here, so I'm feeling pretty good about uh, targeting these highs. Yeah, I just want to make sure I can get at least 3-to-1. Yeah, whatever. We'll see, but the safer bet is to have it down here. So I really wouldn't want to enter it that high. So we'll see how it goes. All right. We have protection here, the support here, here, as I mean, this resistance here. All right. But this is this line we're hoping it holds as support, hard support, so we can get in a good price and catch all these pips. I'll see you in the next video. Leave me a like or and subscribe, if you like to see more free information, more free education and analysis. All right. That'll keep me encouraged. That will prompt me to put out some more videos. All right. I'll talk to you in the next video.